Got one, Paul Weller and Graham Coxon. We're not here for a few weeks, but we will be back early in September, or you can join me for the BBC's coverage of the Live Earth concert tomorrow. So that's 2 days I'll have worked this week. They're getting their money's worth, aren't they? Now, to help you get through a Rossless summer, will you please welcome performing, it's a brilliant track, Fluorescent, Adolescent, the wonderful Arctic Monkeys!
You used to get it in your fishnets, now you only get it in your night dress. Discarded all the naughty nights for niceness, landed in a very common crisis. Everything's in order in a black hole, nothing seems as pretty as the past though. That Bloody Mary's like an El Tabasco. Remember when you used to be a rascal? Oh, the boys are slag. The best you ever had, the best you ever had is just a memory. And those dreams, when as daft as they seem, not as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them up. Flicking through a little book of sex tips, remember when the boys were all electric, and now when she told she's gonna get it, I'm guessing that she'd rather just forget it, clinging to not getting sentimental, said she wasn't going but she went still, as a gentleman not to be gentle, was it a mechadobber or a betting pencil? Oh, the boys are slack, the best you ever had, the best you ever had is just a memory. And those dreams, when as daft as they seemed, as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them overflow. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Oh. The falling about, you took a left off last life lane, just sounding it out, but you're not coming back again. The falling about, you took a left off last life lane, you were just sounding it out, but you're not coming back again. You used to get it in your fishnets, now you wanna get it in your night dress. Discarded all the naughty nights for niceness, now we're in a very common crisis. Everything's in order in a black hole, is anything as pretty as the past though? That Bloody Mary's like an El Tabasco. Remember when you used to be a rascal?
Hey, hey, it's the Arctics. That sounded great. Well, good sound.
Jonathan's band.